Okay, so here's our version 1 demo board. We've got a CAN bus feed going in and we've moved it so now if you tap it will just move rather than swipe, as it's hard to swipe when on the move, especially in a sports car. So a quick tap takes you between all the screens. We've since added the sort of loads that track. So if we do this, we will get various loads. We go back, and we can, in our clock we have all our settings here, so this is where we can go through, tap with our buttons, go through, and we have all the various settings which we've added to the website to explain. Most are going to be set once and never change again. As you can see there's the RPM buzzer. Unfortunately the buzzer on this device isn't very loud, so if you've got any sort of sports exhaust it's not going to work, unfortunately. But we've got clock faces, we've got themes to switch between light and dark, so if you want it always dark you pick the dark theme for both. We'll do that, see if I can do that with the camera on. You can also further go through, further down. You can change the screens if there's, when you press the sports mode button. Sorry, there we go. So you can pick which screen you go to when you put sports mode on and off, and you can also set a temperature threshold at which either water or oil temperature when it will switch to the temperature tile. So if we go back up and exit our settings, exit settings, we're now in our dark theme. There we have it. So that's a quick bench demo. Yeah, next one will be a in-car demo.